Okay, let's get in one more result reaction. Justdial and Ramkumar CFO, the CFO of the company, joins us right now to speak about the numbers that came out yesterday. Sequential acceleration, Ramkumar, at least the quarter showed that, and while giving us a sense of the traction in your local search engine marketplace business as well, tell us where are the campaign additions, growth in paid listings and the uptick in pricing?
Yeah. So this has been, as you mentioned, a very sound quarter on all key financial parameters. We have seen continue to see good traction on the core search. Search Plus, we have not even started monetizing it. It is at a very early stage of product development, and we haven't even started communicating to the users yet. So difficult, too premature to talk of Search Plus at this point of time. Almost 100% of the revenue comes from search. There we are seeing very good traction. The ecosystem is driving a lot of consumers online, and hence the businesses are also realizing that they need to have an online presence. And what is a better platform than Justdial for them to get discovered and now get transacted? So we are seeing good traction. We have added about 70,000 net campaigns in the quarter. I must emphasize, in this quarter had 5 less working days than last year's same period. Despite that, quite excited and happy with the in the number of campaigns. The overall growth is driven both by increase in the volume, which has grown by about 23%, plus some pricing increase which has happened. Difficult for me to exactly quantify the impact of price impact, but sufficient if you look at dissect the 29% growth. About 23.5 coming from volume and that coming from the price increase in price. This for the first 9 months, year on year. So overall, I would say that the strategy that we had adopted beginning of the year in terms of expanding our footprints in Tier 2, Tier 3 cities, expanding deeper into other smaller towns and cities is yielding. We are seeing good traction in these cities, and that's getting reflected in the top line growth.
Ram, what about the EBITDA? That as well has climbed up in volumes and improved pricing. Given the upturn in the economic sentiment and the rising volumes from Tier 2 and 3 cities, how much would you look to hike prices over the coming 12 months?
Yeah, so the continue to expand the sales force. You see us adding a lot more feet on street and telemarketing agent in this quarter. With the strategy of expanding in the Tier 3 cities, the next 25 cities, as well as expanding in the 11 cities we are already there. So all those initiatives will continue and intensify as we move into subsequent quarter. Yeah, I mean, regarding the impact of price increase, difficult for me to exactly pinpoint, as I mentioned, to say what is the quantum that will get reflected in the overall revenue, but definitely we are seeing that with the improved sentiments, with the improved economic scenario in the country, we will be benefited by it, and we are seeing, for example, automobile dealers, etc. They are more open to signing up. So we benefit by the increased and improved economic sentiments while we are cushioned from softness in the economy. So overall, given our strategy of expanding the sales force, expanding the footprint, coupled with pricing action, should deliver us the stable good growth we have already witnessed in the 9 months in the coming months.
That's Justdial with the numbers. Ramkumar, we'll have to let you go at that. Thanks so much for joining in and giving us that perspective on the numbers and the outlook ahead. But let's get that big fundamental voice on the show now, Nandan Chakraborty.